Right, so these are the assignments which I have given yesterday. Okay, so let me work on this quickly. I will show you. So the first question, write in SQL query to get the country names which has letter A anywhere. So what should be the answer for this? Letter A
Start.
anywhere.
Yes, percentile A, percentile we have to use that from. Select to start
Where
from.
country
Country like.
like
In quotes,
percentage
percentile A, percentile.
percentage. Okay, run this. So we got India and Pak. So India A is at the last and Pakistan A is in between. So you've got both the values. Okay. Suppose here if you have, I have discussed yesterday as well. Suppose if you have a country, Africa.
But SC didn't come. South Africa A. It also having A.
What is the reason why this is not coming?
It's in the uppercase.
Yeah, data is case sensitive. Very good. Let me add Africa as well. Let me show you this. So you can put Africa as well. So it means A is present at the last, you get the value. A is present in between, got the value. A is present at the beginning, you got the value. So when you are writing like this, percentage A, percentage, it means A is present anywhere, you will get that value. Now again, same concept. This is case sensitive. That's why you have not got South Africa as the output, because A is in uppercase. Okay. So for that, what you can do is upper, if you want to make it case insensitive, upper country like, then write A. Same concept.
Yeah.
Now you will get South Africa as well. Okay, that's clear.
Yes.
Okay, now second question is which has letter A at second place. Okay, now they are telling that no, I want letter A at the second place only. So for that, what you can do is give underscore and then A. Okay, I have kept it upper, so that's why I'm writing this in uppercase. So when you have written underscore A, so you are telling I want A in the second place. So now see here in Pakistan A is in the second place, South Africa is in the second place. So for that we use this underscore character. Is this clear?
Yes.
Last is which has letter A at the last place. So I think we have discussed this yesterday as well. So for that you have to write like this. And keep A at the last. So we get all the records where is at the last. So you can see India is at the last, South Africa is at the last, Africa is at the last. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Any question? Okay. Perfect. Now moving to the next one. Write in SQL query to update the marks of student A and semester 2 with the marks of student B and semester 2. Yeah, good question. So here, let me create this one first of all. This is the table. Select a star from a student. So this is the data. First of all, let's try to understand the question. Here the question is telling that I want the marks of student A and semester 2 to be updated with marks of student B and semester 2. It means the marks of student B and for the second semester value is 100. I want this value to be updated here for A and second semester. Is the question clear?
That means switching marks.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, not switching. In switching, what will happen? Like 140 will be updated here, and this will be updated there. I just want 100 to be 140 to be replaced with 100.
Okay.
So for that, what you have to do is update command. We have to use update a student set marks equal to. So which marks you want? Select marks from a student where a student name is equal to B and semester is equal to 2. So you want this marks, correct? The mark which is coming from this query, the student B and semester 2 second semester marks you want to update here in the marks column, but for whom? Where a student name is equal to A
A
and semester
semester
is
1.
equal to
1.
2
2.
second
2.
semester marks. Yeah.
Second.
Okay, so here I'm trying to show you that let me run first of all. You updated, please verify the output. You can see the marks of A second semester is updated with 100, right? So here what I want to show you is like you can use inner query in the update statement. Okay, many students they get failed here. They think that okay, inner query cannot be used in update. No, you can use inner query in update. You can use case as well with update. Okay, is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Any other question, guys? No. Okay. Next question is write and SQL query. Okay, let me copy this. Please let me know if anyone is having any question. I'm quickly trying to cover all those things. Write and SQL query. Okay, first of all, let me create this table employee. This is the employee table. Start from employee. This is the data, first name, last name, gender. This is date of birth. So how I have inserted date of birth, you have to use this date data type. Okay, whenever you want date of birth, you have to use date data type. Now this is the format you have to pass the value. To underscore date you have to use 7th January 1992. DD means this is date. MON is month, so month is January, and YYY 1992. Okay, so whenever you're adding any date column, date values you want to insert, you have to use this particular format. But if you're working on Microsoft SQL Server, no need to use this entire format, just write this one. It will take it. But in Oracle, you have to convert this. You have to tell to SQL engine that I'm converting to date. Okay. So this is the data. Now the question is update first name to X where first name is null. So you can see here in this record first name is null. Okay. So you have to update this first name null to X. So wherever in the first name we have null, we want that to be replaced with X. Okay. So can you tell me the query? Come on. Update employee, then guys, I'm audible. Yeah. Then set first name is equal to what value you want? X, right? Want X. Where you want this? Where first name is
null.
null. Simple. So one row is updated. Now if you want to verify this, try to run this. Okay, so you can see the first name has updated to X value. Okay, any questions so far? No questions. Now the next one is update date of birth to 3rd April 2021 where gender is M. Okay, wherever gender is M, I want that date of birth to be updated to 3rd April 2020. Okay, so again very simple. Update. So actually from this example, what I'm trying to show you is you can use your null is null keyword also here. There is no restriction with update. Don't think that update you cannot use all these things. You can use it. Even the same column you can keep in set and where statement, not an issue. Okay. You can use in set I've used first name and where as well I've used first name. Next question is update date of birth to this where gender is M. Okay. So again update employee set date of birth is equal to underscore date. Which value you want? 3rd April 03 April 2021 DD MON. Okay. Where gender is equal to M. Okay, capital M. The two rows updated because in two rows here you have gender as M. This is the first row and this is the second row. Now verify the date of birth. Date of birth is changed to 3rd April 02. Okay. So from all these examples, what I'm trying to show you is you can change any columns, any data type. Okay. You have all the freedom. This is a very interesting question. Swap gender from M to F and vice versa. What is the meaning of this question? Very common interview question as well.
Wherever there is a M, we have to change it to F. Wherever there is a
Correct.
F.
Change to that to M. Okay, so you can see here A and null value is M, male, or C it is female. I want to swap it. See, these all things are done like when you're working on a project and by mistake you have entered some incorrect number, incorrect value. Okay, so this update is very useful there. So update imply set gender is equal to case. Okay, I will use case now. Case when gender is equal to M, then F, else three rows updated. Now please verify the data. A and X is changed to female now and C is M, right? We have changed that. Now verify the what you can see. Now you observe the query what I have done here. Updating employees, the gender is equal to, we have used case statement that gender is equal to case when gender is equal to M. So first of all, I'm telling that when gender is equal to M. So here the gender was M, right? And here the gender was M. So I'm trying to SQL engine that wherever it is M, then F, it means then change that to F. So this will be changed to F. Correct? That's the question.
Yes.
And then after that one thing else keep it M. So for all the other values keep it M. So it means for this the remaining one keep it as M. So automatically this will be converted to M. Is this clear?
Yes.
So from this I am showing you that you can use case as well with update. You can use the case keyword with the update. Any question on this three sub questions? Any confusion? Anyone who wants me to repeat this? No?
No.
Okay, perfect. So question number 3 is done. Question number 4, right hand circle will update salary to 900 M twice where ID is even number. So how you will solve this? Tell me. You have to update salary to 900 where name. Oh, salary. Okay. Yeah, this is a little bit different question. First of all, create this table. Take this created. Let me show you data. Student. This is the data, name ABC and salary. Okay, now what is the question? Right in SQL query to update salary to 900. I want to update salary to 900, name to X. So here in this question, I want to update two columns. The first column is salary. I want to change salary and I want to change name as well. In all the earlier questions, if you will see, we have updated only one column. You see here updated only first name. Here I've updated only date of birth. Here I've updated only gender. But here the question is updating two columns at the same time, salary and name both. Okay, where the ID is even number. Okay, so from this example, I want to make you understand that you can update two columns at the same time. Update a student, set salary 900 and name is equal to
X.
X. Sorry, X where mod of
Mod.
I have taught you yesterday that for
Yeah.
this you have to use mod
ID.
of ID to
Is
equal to 0. Yeah, this will give you even number. SQL command not properly ended. What happened? This is salary equal 900. Oh, sorry. Okay, you don't have to use and, you have to use comma. I forgot that. Now please verify. Salary is 900. ID 2, that is even number, and name has been changed to X. Correct? You can see this. So from this, I am showing you that you can use any calculation as well. We have used calculation in where clause. Okay, and we have updated two columns at the same time. Many students, they think that only one column you can update using update keyword. No, you can use a number of columns, whatever you want. Any questions so far? No questions. This is same. This question is same. Okay, fifth number is same as the first one. You can try this. We have already discussed the question number one. Exactly same as that. Practice SQL query to list all the books which are related to SQL. This is very interesting question. So this is your books table. These are the names of the books. Okay. Now question is write a SQL query to list all the books which are related to SQL. Okay, I want all the books which are related to SQL. So just manually can you tell me which all books are related to SQL? First, is this related to SQL? Yes or no?
Yes.
Is this related to SQL? Yes.
Yes.
Is this related to SQL? Yes.
Yes.
Is this related to SQL? Yes. Is it to SQL? Yes. This is not
Yes.
related to SQL. Because why I'm telling this is not related to SQL? Because in the question they have mentioned like this SQL. Here there is a hyphen. So we will not consider they both as the same. Is that clear? See, someone is writing like India and someone writing like India. They both are same. Or someone is writing like India. They both are, sorry. All are same. Okay, but if someone is writing like this, for us it seems to be same, but SQL will take it different. Even these are also different in SQL because case matters, but you can handle this using case, right? But this is totally different. You cannot handle using case because you have a space, you have hyphens in between. Is that clear? That's what I want to tell you, that in working in project, and if you have this kind of data, if there is any hyphen, that is considered as separate data or different data. Okay, so I want all the data where SQL is present in this manner, whether it is lower or upper, that doesn't matters, but I want in this manner. So what should be the query? Where name like, yeah,
uh,
like percentage.
percentage, but here upper of name, I think.
Very good. Upper of
Name.
like,
Yeah, percentile, SQL percentile.
yeah, sure. So you can see you got all the values. SQL, right? All the values are present here. So you can understand the importance of this wildcard like operator. Okay, so it will search for this SQL anywhere in this, whether it is present beginning, end, or in between, anywhere. If you want to make it case insensitive, you can use upper or lower, whatever you want. If you want to use lower, you can use lower as well. Your wish. Is this clear, guys? Is the same output?
Yes,
So I
clear.
think this was all about the assignment. We have discussed all the questions, but I will request you all to please work again on this. You will get some better understanding. Okay, so this is done. Coming to substring. Okay, let's start with substring. Let me see if I have some example of substring. This one. This is any string. This is substring. Only two examples are there. I was having a question with a lot of examples for their substring. example. Okay, then leave this. I will take some value from variable, try to explain. Consider this data. Okay, so what is substring? Try to understand. This is the table. Okay, this table name comma one. I'll tell you what this is all about. Now just tell me one thing. Any changes you can see here? It's column. What is the new thing? Anything new you have observed here? But what's the difference between name and this substring name comma one here? Is there any difference or is it exactly same? Exactly same, right? Okay. Let's one more example. Writing like this. Now what is the difference? Guys, I'm audible. Cannot hear anyone.
Yeah. The first letter of the first name.
Yeah. So yeah, correct. So here what I've written is substring name comma one. So I'm telling to SQL engine that take this name column, okay, and it start with the first position. If I've written first, no, so I'm telling it start with the first position. So first position is M. Let's start with this and move one step. After this I've written one, that means move one step. So from here it will move one step means it will stay here only. That is why this is giving you first character. Similarly for Rajkumar, you're getting first character R. In Abdul, you're getting first character A. Here you're getting first character A. Okay. Any question? I know you guys are not having any question. Now this. What I've done here, this one.
First two letters.
First two characters, right?
Character.
Because I've written 1,
So,
2. So it means it will give me first two characters. And RA you are getting, AB you are getting, A you are getting. Okay. Now, but why for this case I got all the values?
because we haven't mentioned how many we want.
Because you have not mentioned like till which length you want. So by default, it will give you all the value. Okay.
All.
Hope this is clear. Any question?
Yeah, clear.
No, clear.
Now, can anyone explain it? Why we got D here?
The we are fetching from the second letter, and length is 1.
Correct. Fetching from the second position. So here second position is D. Correct?
Yes.
So only you got 1 because length is 1. So you got D only. Okay. Two. What about this? Starting from second position and 2 characters. So you got
Yes.
D and then comma A and J. And then you have substring. Forgot to mention you one more example. I've given 0 here. What is the output for name is 0?
Same as 1 because we
Same
didn't
as
mention.
1. Yeah.
Yeah.
So 0 means 0 or 1 index, they both are same here in SQL.
Same.
So it means it will start from the 0th place and it will show you all the values. Now here, this is clear. From 0, 1 character only. So this is going to only first character M, first character R. Any question, guys? Anyone, any question, please?
No.
No question. Very good. -1. Now I'm using -1 here. I'm just trying to understand. Yeah, tell me. Tell me about this.
Oh, -1 starts from the rightmost.
Correct? It starts from the end or the
In,
rightmost place. M comma -1 comma 2. Why this is coming as still N? They should go 2 places, no? You should get N and A here. But why that is not coming? No idea?
No,
You want to understand? Or see.
oh, that means the first position is the end one. So after that, we don't have any characters. That's why it gave only N.
So what about this -1, -2? You're getting only blank spaces here, nothing is coming.
Oh,
Any idea what is happening here? See, till where? Till here, I think this is clear. All things
yeah.
are clear. Any question here?
These all are okay. The -1.
All are okay. See, the problem is okay. Let me show you first of all few for examples. And then this will be. Let me show few more examples. -1 name comma -1 comma 4. This is the one example. I was saying name comma -1 comma -1. Yeah, and let me remove this for the time being. Yeah, concentrate on this part. Where is this? Where is this? Yeah, concentrate from here. -1. It means we're standing at the very last. You got the last character, right? -1 comma 2. Exactly same as name comma -1. You're getting the same output. Okay. -1 comma 4. Exactly getting the same output. So what you understood after a column, if you're using -1 and if you're giving any number positive, see this is positive argument 2, positive argument 4, so you will get the same value as the last character. Okay. And if you're giving a substring name -1 comma -2, so you're getting no value. -1 comma -4, you're getting no value. So from this last 5 examples, what you understood, guys? Anyone who can summarize this? What you understood from this?
-1 comma positive number, maybe the starting position of the letter in a place is last letter of the name, but
Correct.
after that we don't have any letters, right? That's why it's giving only the last letter, but I didn't understand the -1 and minus number.
Correct. See, This is the correct, what you have told is correct. If you're using substring name -1 or -1 with any positive argument. Here this is positive, -1 with positive argument. So this will give you exactly same result. It means the last character of each and every name, right? That's what you have here, here, and here. Okay. But now here this one substring name -1, -2 and substring name -1, -4. You didn't got any output. Why? Because after -1 you're using any negative argument, that will not give you any result. You will not get any result for that. That's the concept here. And if you're using positive argument, you will stick to the last characters only. Any question?
One more time, please.
Is this clear? Anyone have any question on this?
Then if
So
we
this
want
one-
last two characters of the name, what we have to write?
Yeah, correct. So if you want last two characters, how to find it? Before answering that, any question on this part? You understood everyone?
Please repeat one more time. I'm still confused.
Sure. Which one you want me to repeat, this -1 or from the beginning?
No, this -1, -2, and -1 and 4.
Minus arguments you are confused, right? Positive ones are clear. All these positives which I have taught.
Yeah, that's clear.
Okay. So let me remove this positive from here. This one. The -1, -1, -2. Let me keep this at the end. Now let me execute this. See, this is very simple. I think there should be not any confusion in this. No confusion should exist here. Name -1, it means I'm telling you start from the very end. So very end character, last character is N. That's why you got it here. Last character is R, you got R here, L here, DD here. Any confusion on this part, first of all, on this one, name -1?
No.
No, clear to everyone, okay. Name -1, 2 or name -1, 4. First of all, tell me the output is same or not?
Yes.
Output is same. So what we understood from here, that if you're using -1 with any positive argument, whether it is 2, whether it is 4, any other value, that will still give you the last character of that particular column name within the last character. It means this positive argument is not having any impact. Is this clear? That's why if you see substring name, -1, substring name, -1, 2, substring name -1, 4, they all are giving the same output. So what it means, after -1, if you are giving any positive argument, if you're not giving any argument, you will not be having any output here. No output. Is this clear? First three columns
Yes.
clear to everyone? Okay.
Yes.
After this, I have told you that in substring, if both the arguments are minus, substring, both the arguments are minus, you will not get any output. See, no output is substring name, both the arguments are negative, minus, will not get any output. This doesn't make any sense actually. That's why you're not getting any output. Is this clear now? Very simple.
So we cannot use negatives. It doesn't
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense.
sense.
Anyone who wants me to repeat this? Is this clear? Yes or no?
Yes, clear.
Clear. Now the question is that Tanvir, I want last two characters, right? That's the question, Roja?
Yeah.
I
Yes.
want last two characters, and here again I want last two characters only. Last two characters, and here last two characters, comma D. This is the question, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is very simple. How you can do is, first of all, I'm not sure if I've taught you that length. length of name from employee. Now, before answering your question, Roja, can anyone tell me what this length keyword does? What the function of this?
Yeah, it's calculating how long the name is. Means it's counting the numbers. How many
Number of characters, right?
characters? Yeah.
Correct. Okay. Now, see, for answering your question, let's do some manual analysis on this. This is the data. Now you told that I want AN, I want AR last two characters, I want UL last two characters, I want comma the last two characters. Okay. Now, if I will write like this, suppose the string name comma 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 comma 2. You got the last two characters in, no? Correct?
Yeah.
You got the last two characters in. So what I have done, I told to SQL engine that start from this position A. Okay.
Mm.
Now A is at which position? Sixth position.
Sixth.
Because M first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. I told to SQL engine that start from sixth position and move two characters. So A and N, you got N here. Is this clear?
Yes, but it will not apply for the second name, right?
Correct, correct, correct. But what about the second one, Rajkumar? I
It's
was
a big.
expecting AR, but this is
Yeah.
coming as UM. This is incorrect. In Abdul, I was expecting UL, but this is null here. Here I was expecting, okay, this is fine, comma D I got, but this is incorrect. Why? Because I have customized my query for this particular data only. So this query fails because this is not catering to all the records. Correct? Clear?
Yes.
Now
Yeah,
how
clear.
to do this? Now how to do this? Can you think, guys? With the help of this, you can do that. Now,
Yeah,
please think
substring
and tell
of
me. Substring of
length of name.
length.
No. Name.
Length.
Let,
See,
let
okay. Think about the logic. What
first.
you have to do. Suppose if it is MD comma on. So what you have to build your logic should be that the full whatever with the full character length. So here the full character length is 7. Okay. So you have to start from where? 2 spaces before this. So 7 minus 2. It means you have to start from 7. No, 7 minus 2, not 7 minus 1. So this is the last character 7. You have to start from the previous one character. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. You should start from 6 and then you should go 2 places. Similarly in Rajkumar, what is the total length? 9. So you have to start from one place behind, right? So you will give minus 1. Okay, so it means this is 8 and you will move 2 places. Correct? Similarly in Abdul, you will start from the full length is 5. So you will start one place before 5 and that is 4 comma 2. Correct? So what I will write is, first of all, calculate the full length and stay one step behind and then move 2 places. Is this clear? Is this clear, guys? Tell yes or no, understood or not. If you want to repeat, tell me, I'll repeat that.
So here we don't need to give 3 parameters.
Where we
We
need
have to give
give
3, right? Name also we have to give, right? Name comma length of name minus 1, right?
Yeah, sorry, I missed that. Very good. Yeah. Got the output N, AR, UL, comma D.
Okay.
This is clear now, everyone?
Yeah, no, clear for me.
Okay. Anyone? Any question? Anyone who want me to repeat this substring? So with the help of this, you can
Can we
fetch
use
that carry
minus 2 comma 2?
minus 2 comma 2. You can use, but that will give you some different output. So minus 2 means you are telling to start from the H. So you'll get
And it
H
will
and
become
H.
HA,
Yes.
HA,
HAMA DU
Yeah.
C comma.
Okay.
Final call. Any question on this substring? Very common interview question. You can get on this.
Mm, Cool.
No, if we remove length function, and if we pass only minus 2 comma 2, like we have done in the previous example.
Oh, okay. So, okay, fine. Got it. You are telling me to remove this one, right? Correct?
Yes. Yes.
One. Okay. Minus 2 comma 2, you are getting A and N. Why? See, I have
Because we
Because it's going to
Hmm.
start from minus 2. In the
Hmm.
first example, that is going to start from A, and it will going to be from sec 2 position, 1 and 2 AN.
Clear?
Same with AR.
Same concept. Okay. So you are moving 2 places ahead. So A and N is coming. 2 places ahead. A and R is coming. L is coming. Is this clear? Tell me yes or no, it is clear. Not I want me to repeat this.
Yes.
yes.
Okay. Oh, okay. One thing I understood where you are getting confused. So you might be thinking that Tanvir, if this is the case, then why when I have used this one, you told that this will give me the same output? Maybe I'm not sure if you're thinking this way, right? I'll show you this example. As you can see that substring name minus 1 comma 2 and minus 1 comma 4. Why they both are giving the same output? What is the reason? But here minus 2 comma 2 I change this. This is giving different output. Why?
Because in the second column, that is minus 1 comma 2, after n there is nothing. Same in the third
Perfect.
column.
After n nothing is there where it should go. Even if you give 4, 10, 100, nothing will work because after n nothing is there, no? Okay. Any question? No questions. Shall I proceed with the next topic? I think there's no question. INSTR function. INSTR, this one. Yeah, this I have example. This is the good thing this will be required. Like this. INSTR. You'll see my few posts are related to service string and INSTR function. So now what is the use of INSTR? Table of view does not exist. Employee no. Employee table. This is the same data. Okay. This is a little bit confusing. Don't get confused, please. Okay. Now please tell me what is the meaning of this? Why this is 6200? Who will explain this? What is the position of letter A here? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, right? That's why this is coming 6. At the position of A is second position. Why here it is showing 0?
Because no A is present here.
Because lowercase a
No,
is not present
lowercase.
here.
Yes. Lowercase.
Similarly, why here it is 0?
Lowercase is not here.
Lowercase a is not
Not
present
here.
here. Okay, so I think data is case sensitive. You know all those things. This is old dialogue now. So instr function will tell you the position of that particular character. So here I am searching for character A. So instr string function will tell you that what is the position of that character. Now again, this is having few variations which you should know. Comma 0, comma 1. 0, comma 1. These all are coming as 0. No. Sorry, this is a bad example. First of all, all are 0. Why? Why this is 0? And let me tell you one more example. Six two zero zero. One more example. Comma 2. And yes. See, first of all, I want this response from you guys. Why this instr name comma a comma 0 is giving 0, and all this name comma a, nothing I given after that, name comma a comma 1, name comma a comma 2, they are giving the same value. Anyone, any idea? No idea. Okay.
No idea.
If you're giving instr in string name comma a comma 0, okay, so nothing will come up. Why? Because you are asking for the 0th occurrence. 0 means 0th occurrence. Okay, so nothing will come up here. That's why these all are giving 0. If you're giving name comma a, okay, and after that if you have not given any argument, after a nothing I have given, so it will assume that the user is asking for the first occurrence of a. So the first occurrence of a is at the 6th position and 200. But what about this name comma a comma 1, name comma a comma 2? Again I'm getting the same output. So after name comma a, if you're writing anything or if you're not writing anything, by default your SQL engine will understand that the user is asking for the first occurrence of a. Okay, so that's why this is showing the first occurrence. Now I think this is more clear. This is some more example. Let me show you. Yeah, this will take some time to understand, but let me explain you. Comma 0 1. 0. Oh no, not this one. This is. Try to understand this one. Yes. Here you right now just concentrate on this last column. Okay, it is coming 0 here. It is 8 here. It is 0 here. It is 0 here. First of all, I want you guys to analyze and tell me why it is 0 here and why it is 8 here. Come on. Very simple. This is reasoning question here, not related to SQL. This is reasoning question. Why this is 8 here and why it is 0 here?
Second occurrence.
Very good. Second occurrence. In MD Khan, do you have any second occurrence of A? No. A has occurred only once here. So there is no second occurrence. That is why this is showing as 0. But here it is 8 because I'm asking for the second occurrence of A. Second occurrence of A is here. It is at which position? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth position. That's why this is giving you 8. So what you understood, if you're writing name comma a, means you want to search for this character a. After 1 you have given 2, so this last fourth argument will show you the number of occurrence, which occurrence you want. I want second occurrence. Similarly, if I will write here this one, instr name comma a comma 1 comma 3. So what does this mean? I want third occurrence. So all are 0. Why? because they don't have any third occurrence of A. A has occurred only once here. A has occurred twice here, but no third occurrence is present here. Similarly, lowercase a is not present here, lowercase a is not present here. Is this clear, this two? Any question on this two, guys?
What is this one for? This argument a comma 1 comma 3.
A comma 1 comma 3, huh? So here I am
So
telling that I want the third occurrence of A. 1 comma 3 means third occurrence of A. 1 comma 2 means second occurrence of A. 1 comma 1 means first occurrence of A.
So what does it mean of a second parameter? The name after, sorry, third parameter.
This one.
We are giving, yeah, what does it mean?
This one I will tell you. Okay, I will show you this for examples two. I will
Yeah,
say
I
that
think
the
Mohit
third
also
parameter.
asking the same. Yeah,
Oh,
Mohit
okay,
also
Mohit is asking
asking
about
the
the
same.
same. Okay. I will explain you about this. But this fourth argument, is this clear? First of all,
Yeah, fourth one is clear. Yeah.
fourth one is clear to everyone. It means I am searching for that particular occurrence. Okay. Now, string name comma a comma 2. I'm just keeping 2 here. Okay. And let me remove this first of all. Remove all these things from here. This is fine. I'm changing the third argument now. Okay. Fourth argument is clear to everyone. That will tell you the occurrence. Okay. Okay. A comma 2. The value is same 6. The A is coming at the 6th position. A is coming at the 2nd position and all those things. Now, comma A comma 2 comma 1. I think that's what you're trying to understand. Is there any change? No?
No change.
No change. A comma 2 comma 2. I think this is sufficient. From this you can understand what is happening here. Any change here?
Yes.
Can anyone explain me why the output is 0 here? Because I am asking for the second
Occurrence.
but A doesn't have any second occurrence in this world, right?
Okay.
Here the second occurrence is 8 because the second occurrence of A is at the 8th position. Here it is 0 because you don't have any second occurrence of A. Here it is again 0 because you don't have any second occurrence of A. Okay. Now, what is the total story here? Let me conclude all these things from this several examples what I've shown you. First of all, the third occurrence. See this example, this one, this one, this one, and these all examples. Where I was telling now, in this and this one and this one, are you getting the same output? But the third occurrence is different, correct? Or take this one, and this one. Are you getting the same output?
Yes.
So what does this mean? The third occurrence, you keep it 1 or you keep it 2, that doesn't matter. Similarly, take the example of this one, and this one. The value is same. The only difference is in the third occurrence. Here I can third occurrence as third argument as 1. Here third argument is 2, but still the output is same. So what does this mean? The third argument, okay, it is like a dummy argument, but you don't have to put 0. Okay, you can put any number 1 to whatever you want. The fourth argument is about the number of occurrence. If you have written 3, it means I am searching for the third occurrence of that A. If I've written here 2, I am searching for the second occurrence. If I've written 1, I am searching for the first occurrence. And as far as 0 is concerned, if you're writing 0 here, so that will not give you any output. Is this clear? I think
So
this is not.
yeah, third argument we never use. We don't need that one.
No, third argument you have to pass.
Yeah.
You have to pass value
We
for
have
that.
to but doesn't have any meaning.
Correct. Yeah. That doesn't have any meaning. Now let me conclude once again all the things. Let's start with this. 0. Forget about all these things. Let's start with the 0. You got all the values 0 because I told you if you're giving your this value. Oh, sorry. Let me show you this example as well. This is done. I'm showing you this again. Comma a comma 0. Okay. Now you guys have to tell me why this is giving me 6200 and this is giving 0000. What is the reason?
First one is showing the A position.
First position of A.
Yeah.
Here
Yes.
I have told you that third argument, if I am keeping 0, this will give you 0 output. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now instr name comma A comma 1. Now try to understand the difference between this and this one. Okay, let me show you this. What is the difference between this and this? Who will explain this?
What's in
The output is same or different?
output is same.
Output is same, but the values I given is different. No, there I use instr name comma A, and here I use instr and string name comma A comma 1. But I'm getting the same output. Why?
By default, it will take 1.
Very good. By default, if third argument you are not passing, a SQL engine will understand that the value is 1. Is this clear? Anyone who wants me to repeat this?
Yes, clear.
Name comma A comma 2. Okay, I'll try to understand this one. Okay, 0 is clear to everyone. No, 0 will not be having any impact, right? Shall I delete this? Third argument 0 doesn't have any impact. Hope this is clear to everyone. I'm deleting this. Now what about this? Now please tell me, what is the difference between this 3 output? Name comma A, name comma A comma 1, name comma A comma 2. What is the difference? Or they all are giving the same output. Why? Are you guys thinking?
It's a dummy parameter. Dummy parameter. That's why it's giving the same.
Okay. Very good. instr name comma A comma 3. Now what about this?
Confused.
Yeah, very confusing today.
Today the class is confusing.
Yeah, that's why the in string is very confusing.
Okay, do one thing. Do one thing. Till here, this is clear. Any question till here? Is this clear till here?
Third column.
Third column, third argument here, this one, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so here I told you that third argument is like dummy. When I've shown you the example of a comma 3, you got confused there, right? So leave that. Forget that, like that is a bad dream, forget it. I'll explain you after this. But so far, any confusion, this first, second, and this third example. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Everyone, this is fine, right? Okay. Okay. All the batches students like get confused with this. So don't worry, this is not new thing happening here. Now, new example I'm showing you, instr name, comma a, comma 1, comma 1. Tell what is the meaning of this and why the output is 6200. Who will explain this?
Fourth parameter is how many occurrences of letter A, but it looks same like name comma A comma 1. I don't know.
See, first of all, try to understand what this is telling. This is telling that in name column, search for the occurrence of A. Name column, search for the occurrence of A. This is third argument. First, fourth argument is all about number of occurrence. You are searching for first occurrence. So it is giving you 6 because the first occurrence of 6 is at the A is at the 6th position here, right? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Clear? Here the first occurrence of A is at the second position. That's why you got 2 here. I hope this is clear, right? Any question on this one? Anyone, any question? Tell yaar, yes or no, true or false, ha or na. Not clear? Shall I repeat this?
Yeah. I mean, not clear.
Not clear. See which one? This one, last one. This one, no.
Yeah.
Okay. Why you're feeling shy? Tell with full confidence that I have not understood. Repeat it. See, here, first of all, ignore this third argument. Okay. I've shown you know that third argument is 1, third argument is 2. Okay. So you are getting the same output. Third argument is 1, third argument is 2. You are getting the same output. So ignore that third argument for the time. Fourth argument. What is the significance of this? Tell me. What does this signify?
Number of occurrences of the
Number of
letter.
occurrence. Yeah,
Yeah.
number of occurrence. If here I've written 1, so what does this mean? I am searching for the first occurrence.
Yes.
Now is it clear?
Yeah, this one clear.
This one is clear. Everyone, is this clear?
Yes.
Yeah, very few of you are speaking, others.
Actually, fourth argument is clear, but I have one doubt. When we are giving the third argument, 1
forget that.
and 2, yeah, third argument 1, 2 are same, but when we are giving 3, why
That's why I
why
told
that
you.
is changed?
Forget
Yeah,
the third argument for the time. I will explain you that. That's why intentionally
yeah,
I given you 3 here.
yeah,
That I will
maybe
tell
that is making us confused
That's what I'm telling. Forget
because of
about
the
that.
third. Yeah.
I will explain you that.
Okay.
I know that if I will tell you this instr name, comma a, comma 3, if I will give instr name, comma a, comma 4, you guys will get confused. That's why I'm telling. Forget for the time being. First of all, let me complete the straight C. I've used here 3, you got something. I've used here 4, you got some value. Okay. So I will tell you what this is all about. So for the time being, forget about this third argument. Okay. Third and fourth argument. The third argument. Leave this for the time being. Try to understand the fourth argument. Is the fourth argument clear?
Yeah, fourth is clear.
Fourth argument is telling about the number of
Number of
occurrences. Correct. Then the fourth argument I mentioned 1. It means I am searching for the first occurrence. Okay. Here I mentioned 2. I am searching for the second occurrence. Let me show you the data again. Is this clear? This one, this output, is this clear?
Yes, clear for me.
Everyone is this clear?
Yes.
If you forget about third, it is clear.
Nisar, Rishabh, clear? Okay. This is clear. 1 minute. Str name. Don't worry, this is confusing. I know most of the bachelor students, they will get confused, but this is very important. You should not ignore this. Many questions you will see is based on the string function. And see, the thing which is tough, that will differentiate you from others. Okay. Because very few will understand the concept behind that. So that's why try to understand this. Okay, in string name, comma a, comma 1, comma 3. Before executing this, what is the meaning of this fourth argument 3?
The occurrence of a third time.
Third occurrence you are looking for,
Third
right?
occurrence, yeah.
Okay, let me execute this. So this value is 0. Why this is 0?
There is no fourth occurrence, no third occurrence in MD Khan.
There is no third occurrence of a in MD Khan. Okay. Why this is 0?
In Rajkumar also, there is no third occurrence.
Rajkumar, there is no third occurrence of a, only first occurrence and
Only two.
second
Occurrence.
That's why this is 0. Similarly for Abdul and ABCD. Is this clear?
Yes.
Is this explanation clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Similarly, if I will give name, comma a, comma 1, comma 4. So now I think if I have given 4 here, I am looking for fourth occurrence. And here in MD Khan, you don't have any fourth occurrence of a. Rajkumar, there is no fourth occurrence of a, right? That's why these all are 0. So is the fourth argument clear first of all? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone, that is clear? Any question on the fourth argument, guys? Then I will proceed with the third argument. I'm repeating. Anyone, any question on the fourth argument? Please ask now.
No questions.
Okay. These all are clear. Okay. Is this 0 is clear? In third occurrence, third argument, if I'm giving 0, that is also clear?
Yes.
No. One thing I have missed there. Sorry, one part, one example I missed actually. Comma 1, comma 0. This example I forgot to mention. This is out of range. Why? Why this is showing out of range? Why this is showing out of range? Any idea?
No.
Okay. What is the meaning of this? If I given 0 here, what is the meaning of this?
0 occurrence.
0 occurrence. Does that make any sense?
No.
No.
0 occurrence of a. Does this make any sense? No sense, right? If I will tell you first occurrence, so yeah, that makes sense, that you are searching for the first occurrence of a. Correct? If I will write 2, so that again makes sense, second occurrence of a. But if I'm writing 0, I am searching for 0th occurrence. 0th occurrence, that doesn't make any sense, and that's why this is telling argument 0 is out of index. Hope this is clear. Okay. except third argument. Any questions so far in all these examples?
No.
Clear to everyone? Because if it is clear, then I will proceed with the third argument now. Okay, no response. I will say that you all have understood this. Select now, name, comma, and string. Okay, and this substring was clear, no? Substring, what we were studying, that was clear, because always we will use substring and string together.
Yeah,
So that
substring
should
is
be clear.
clear.
Okay. Name, comma, a, comma, 1. Now, this I will explain only third argument first of all. No fourth argument. I'm not giving any fourth argument. Value is 6200, the first occurrence of a we got. Okay, good. String, name, comma, a, comma, 2. Again, you got the same value, right? Correct? This and this
Yes.
output is
Same.
exactly same. Okay, good. Now here start the confusion. Correct? It is giving 6 here, and this is giving 8 here, and this
8.
is 0 and 0. I think this is the point where you are getting confused. Before
Yes.
this first and second column are clear. I'm repeating again and again. That is clear, right? Okay. Now see. Let me show you some more variations of this a compo. This is very simple. Actually, I have mixed all those things, and that's why you got confused. Let me tell you. A comma 4. You got the same output. Now I will show you a few more examples, and automatically you will understand what is happening here. Check, are you getting the same output now? Same output? So
Yes.
notice one thing, after a comma 3, you will be getting the same output. Now the question is why? Same output? First of all, in string name a comma 3, in string name a comma 4, in string name a comma 5, in string name a comma 6. This last 4 columns, they are giving the same output. You all agree? 6, 6, 6, 8, 8, 8, 0, 0, and all these things. Hope that is clear. Now this first and second column is just giving you the output of first occurrence. But if you see this one, it's very interesting. In Muhammad Khan, MD Khan, this is 6. Why this is 6? Because this is showing you the first occurrence of A. But in Raj Kumar, it is showing you the second occurrence of A. Correct? No, that's the meaning. No, that's why this is coming 8 here. Is this clear, guys? Are you analyzing the data? Are you trying to understand? This is showing you the second occurrence of A in Raj Kumar, but in MD Khan, this is showing you the first occurrence of A.
Okay.
Is this clear? Yes or no? This
Yes.
is mixed. If you see this example, this all is giving the first occurrence. This all is giving the first occurrence only. But here it is mixed. In MD Khan, it is showing the first occurrence of A. But in Raj Kumar, this is showing the second occurrence of A. How is it possible, right? And here it is 0 and this is 0. This is very clear because there is no small a. That's why this is coming like that. Now the question is, why in MD Khan this is showing the first occurrence, and why in Raj Kumar this is showing the second occurrence? I think that's the question, right?
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, when I've used a comma 4, 6, 8, this is showing the first occurrence and this is showing the second occurrence. This is again showing first occurrence. This is showing second occurrence, and then all are showing like that only. So from here onwards, the occurrence is getting changed. For few data, it is showing the first occurrence, and for few data, it is showing the second occurrence. Why is it so? So far what I have told you, is that clear? Analysis we have done, that is clear, because here the occurrence is mixed and here it was not mixed, or whatever examples I've shown you before that. In all the examples, if I'm searching for first occurrence, that will search for the first occurrence of all the data. If I'm searching for second occurrence, it will search for second occurrence of all the data. But here it is a little bit different. Why it is happening that for MD Khan it is searching for the first occurrence and for Raj Kumar it is searching for the second occurrence? So this is the question, right? Just think about this. This all the four examples is very, you will get answer from here only, that why this is happening.
Uh, as per my
This is
no,
exactly a reasoning. It's like a reasoning. Yeah, tell me.
I think that maybe this function is trying to no, scanning from the third index of the string. If it is getting after
Third
that,
index of the string. Okay. Then if it is scanning from the third index, then why it is coming as 6?
maybe it's doing if else condition. If it's getting it, it's okay. Else by default, it's giving the first index, means first occurrence.
First index. No. See, if it will start, suppose if it will start from 3. So 3 is here. Okay. So if it will start from 3, then this is 1, 2, and 3. They should come at the third position, right? Are you getting my point?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
But good thought. But why that is happening? Any other guesses? Very simple, guys. Think over this. Or if you're not, let me know. I will help you. Shall I give any more hints here?
Can you insert another name with the 3 A's?
3 A's. Okay. Where? This one, right? You want 3 A's consecutive, right?
Yeah, not consecutive. The name including 3
Okay, which will be having
A's.
3 A's, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me, what name should I take?
Anything randomly. BA, CA, DA.
Oh, okay. A, C, A, D. This is fine. Yeah. Good. One row inserted.
I have one more guess.
One minute. Let me show you this. Now you have this BA, CA, DA. Which one we are talking? You're talking about this, no? Yeah. Now tell me.
Maybe no, it's finding out the occurrence after that no third index value.
Finding the occurrence after third index value.
Yeah, because yes. See, if in Rajkumar it's coming at second. First of all, it's coming at second. So once we are giving a comma 3, so it's keeping first value because it's before 3. So once it's so what it's when you
No, it is not that much complicated.
Maybe
It's very simple.
I am thinking the when we are giving the name comma a comma 2 after the second position, what is the a position?
Perfect.
In a name comma a comma 3, yeah, after the three letters,
Which
what is
one
the
is the
a
first
position?
occurrence? Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it clear now?
Yeah, no.
That's why I told you. Just look at
Yeah.
this. This is very simple. Let me
Yeah,
explain
that's
now.
why I asked you to
See,
insert another
if I will
name.
give you the answer, you'll not be feeling like. That's why try to think on your own. Let me explain now. Very simple. Actually, I don't take a risk of showing all these examples. The students, they get confused, but that's good. Try to understand, guys. Okay, very simple. And believe me, these all things will differentiate you from others. Okay, very simple, by the way. I'm starting from this one first of all. Okay. If I have written name comma a comma 3, okay, and please stop me if you have not understood. Don't tell always yes, I understood. Name a comma 3. 1 minute, let me change the color here. Okay, a comma 3. So in this, I am telling to SQL stand at the third position. Stand at the third position. So in this B, A, C, A, D, A, which one is the third position?
C.
C. Very good. Let me highlight this. This is the third position. Okay. After that 3, what is the fourth argument?
Fourth
What is,
argument is how many occurrences?
have I mentioned any fourth argument here?
Here you didn't mention anything.
I am not mentioned. By default, what is the value of fourth argument? 1, right?
First, yeah, one
I think we have
occurrence.
discussed that. By default, the fourth argument value is 1. So if I have not mentioned the fourth argument, the SQL will take the fourth argument as 1. Is that clear?
Yes.
So in that case, now where SQL engine is standing? SQL engine is standing at character
Third.
C.
Yeah.
Okay. After C, now the SQL engine will forget about these 2 characters. Okay. Okay. It will forget about the first 2 characters. It will start from C. Okay. Now for the SQL engine, the word is CADA. Is that clear? And then I am telling to SQL engine that in this CADA, tell me the first occurrence of A. So which is the first occurrence of A?
Immediately after C.
After C, this A, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, what is the position of this A?
4.
First, second, third, fourth. That's why the output is 4 here.
Yeah. If we give in string name, comma, A, comma, 3, comma, 2.
If you will give in
If we
string
give
name
fourth,
A, comma, 3, comma, 2. So you are standing at the third character. And then you are asking
2
fourth
occurrences.
argument is 2. So you are
2
asking for the
occurrence.
second occurrence. Second occurrence
Yeah.
is the last A, and the value will be 6. Okay.
Okay.
Is that clear? Similarly, MD, comma, Khan, why it is 6? Now let's try to understand. Your SQL engine is standing at which character? Third character. So where third character is comma.
Comma.
Okay, this is the third character. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now fourth argument, what is the value of fourth argument here?
By default, 1 occurrence.
1. So it means you are telling to SQL engine start from comma and tell me the first occurrence of A. So after comma, which one is the first occurrence of A? This A.
Yes.
And what is the position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the output is 6 here. Now this was interesting. Why this is coming as 8? Same concept. Start at the third character. Third character is J. And search for the first occurrence of A. First occurrence of A is this one. And this is at which character? 8th character. That is why this is showing you 8th character. Is this clear?
Yes, now it's clear for me.
Okay, same concept we have for this all examples. Anyone who wants me to repeat this? Now, hope you have understood the importance of third argument as well. And that's why in the beginning I told you consider third argument as dummy argument. But now is that clear?
Yes.
Fine then. Final call. Any question on this in string function, guys? I know this is confusing, but work on that. Revise it again. Any confusion we can discuss further. decode, subquery, and all those things we will take in the next class. Next week, I will try to finish this all examples again. And then last week, I will keep 2 classes for this analytic and window functions. Any question, or in general, any question, whatever we have discussed, studied so far? No?
No.
Okay, no questions. So I will give you a few examples on this substring and instring. But this is very important. Don't leave it that this is tough. This is not tough. This is only confusing. You have to understand the importance of third argument and fourth argument. That's all. Okay. Fine then, if you don't have any question, but do revise the classes, okay, or the assignments which you guys have not done. Today is Sunday, you have time, work on that. Okay, and then we'll connect again the next class at today. Okay then, thank you. Take care. Bye.
Okay. Thank you.